You're running LinkedIn campaigns. You're sending highly personalized outreach messages to your prospects. But are you actually winning? Well, most of the tools will simply give you numbers, but we will give you answers. We asked over 100 sales professionals for what they needed, and they all said one thing: we want to know what's working for us, and we want to know it fast. So we built a performance dashboard, one single screen, total visibility, and real-time replies. It's like having a complete live mapping of your LinkedIn sales pipeline. See, B2B buying is getting colder. Reply rates are decreasing. So unless you have everything highly optimized, you are falling behind. And this is how the top 1% stay ahead of the curve. And now you can too. So let's dive in.
Hi and welcome to LinkedoJet, your go-to platform for LinkedIn automation and lead generation. Today I'm excited to give you a quick walkthrough of our performance dashboard and show you how it simplifies managing your LinkedIn campaigns. This is the main dashboard where you will get a complete overview of your campaign performance. The design is user-friendly with everything you need just a click away. Let's start with cumulative stats. This section shows the total activity of all different outreach campaigns running across multiple LinkedIn accounts. You can also apply filters to view performance detail of selected LinkedIn account from here. Under cumulative stats, you can see new prospect reached. This shows the total number of prospects our campaign have targeted so far. Then we have prospect added to network. Out of those prospects who have accepted our connection request and joined our network. Then follow-up sent. As we all know, follow-ups are essential for nurturing leads, and here we can see we have sent 188 follow-ups so far. Then we have leads likely to convert. Our platform uses AI to identify high potential leads that are most likely to convert. So this helps you focus your energy on the best opportunities. Now let's take a closer look at the graph on the right side. This visual breakdown gives you weekly insight into your campaign performance. Here you can compare metrics like prospect reached, prospect added to network, follow-up sent, leads likely to convert. So by monitoring these key metrics, you can gain a clear picture of progress and optimize your campaign strategy. Next, I would like to discuss one of LinkedoJet's standout feature is the ability to customize your view. With select LinkedIn account, you can seamlessly switch between multiple LinkedIn accounts if you are managing campaigns for, let's say, different clients or businesses. Then we have select format. This lets you choose how you want to view the data, weekly, monthly, or even daily for more gradual insight. Then we have select time frame. This allows you to set a specific date range so you can analyze performance over any period of choose. As we scroll down, on one side you will see a list of all the campaigns running for the selected time frame. To view the performance of individual campaign, you can simply click on that. This will provide you with the performance breakdown both in funnel and a graphical view as well. This visual representation allows you to quickly access the health and success of each campaign at a glance, helping you easily identify trends and key metrics. Below the performance section, we have a recent response area. Here you can dive into the responses received from prospects during the campaign. So altogether, these sections provide a comprehensive overview of campaign outcome and performance, making it easier to track results, refine strategy for maximum impact. So as you have seen, LinkedoJet Performance Dashboard offers a clear, customizable way to monitor and optimize your LinkedIn automation and lead generation effort. From tracking key metrics to identify high potential leads, LinkedoJet empowers you to make data-driven decisions and achieve your LinkedIn marketing goal. Thank you for watching.